This video is going to show that a demand curve is also a marginal value curve. Now, you may have never heard of marginal value before. Well, it's just the value of one more unit. And so let me give you an example. Suppose we're talking about burgers. Now, I like burgers, and I want to eat burgers at least once a week. So if we're talking about quantity of burgers per week, and the value of that first one, the marginal value to me is quite high. I think $10 is high for that first burger. But I usually only want to eat one per week. I'll eat a second burger, but I don't value it much. I may value that second burger at only $5. And then to eat a burger a third time in 1 week, well then I just really don't value it that much. So I'll put that as value of just 1. Now I'm going to come over here and graph these marginal values. Notice that we usually have price up here as a y in the y-axis, and that's in dollars. So this quantity of the first unit, the marginal value is $10. The value of the second one to me is $5. And the value of the third one to me is just $1. What I've drawn here is a bar graph that is the marginal value of a burger to me. Now I want to do some thought experiments. Let's suppose that the price of a burger is $10, and I want to know how many units I'll buy. Well, I value the first burger at $10, so if I have to pay $10 for it, I'm indifferent between buying it. I get something that's worth $10, but I give up $10. I'm no better off. But in those cases when I'm indifferent, we just always go ahead and say that we'll buy. So we buy the first unit, but we don't buy the second unit because it cost us $10, so we only value it at $5, and we certainly wouldn't buy the third if we didn't value the second. Now let's suppose the price is $5. How many do we buy? Well, we definitely buy the first unit because we value it at $10. We only have to pay $5 for it. But we're also going to buy the second one. We get the second burger's worth $5 to us. We have to give up $5 for it. Although we're indifferent between buying the second burger, we always go ahead and say we'll buy it then. So we buy 2 burgers. And if the price is $1, we definitely buy the first one because we value it at 10, we get it at 1. We definitely buy the second one. We value it at 5, we get it at $1. But we'll go ahead and buy the third one too, even though we're really indifferent. Now notice what we did here. I'm going to plot these points. When the price is $10, we buy 1 unit. That's 1 coordinate. When the price is $5, we buy 2 units. That's another coordinate. When the price is $1, we buy 3 units. And now I'm going to connect these lines. And what we have here, if you think about it, is a demand curve. Because those points tell us at any price exactly how many of the burgers we'll buy. What we just did is we showed the demand curve is a marginal value curve because we buy another unit whenever the marginal value is greater than or equal to the price.